turned his back. She is lovely in the shadow. And when you face it, people will stop. Is the king disappointed? But music. They called for music. The consort came in, and they played "Oh Fair White Gowns of Heat." So, you think is done? I don't see how she might do that first now. Even if she were the queen sheep. He arrives at Greenwich, not long after the king. Henry rises heavily from his chair. Cromwell, we have not had to take this I require. Anna was betrothed once, and we're not sure where that contract was resolved.